How to add Amazon wishlist to TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Now, tap on Edit Profile. Here, you can edit your information such as your name, photo, username, etc. Now go over to Links. Select the page you want to link to TikTok, in this case, website. Now, go back to your main menu and open up the Chrome browser. Then, go to Amazon.com. Here, tap on your profile at the top. Then scroll down and go to Lists. Select any of your lists from here. Now tap on the invite icon as shown. Here, select View Only. This means that anyone with a link can view your list without making edits. Then tap on Copy Link. Now go back to the TikTok page and paste the Amazon link you just copied over here. Then tap on Save at the top right corner. You have now successfully linked this page to TikTok. Now, if you go back to your profile, you will get to see the link in the bio section. Following these steps, you can easily add Amazon wishlist to TikTok.